I'm Caitlin Ballard, Public Works Representative here at the City of Fort Pierce. Today was our first Lunch and Learn. We are super excited. We plan to have these Lunch and Learns quarterly. Today was all about our Parks and Grounds Division. We went over all the different aspects that the Parks and Grounds Division works throughout the city, the parks that they cover, how detrimental they are to keeping things functioning here in the City of Fort Pierce in many different aspects. We also had IFAS County Extension Office come out. Miss Kate Rotendo did a demonstration on how to make your own garden bucket.
Coming to programs such as today, I think are really not only fun, but really fulfilling to talk and get to know the citizens of our community and get to hear some feedback from them about what they need and what they want as far as how to plant things and when to plant things. Today, our program, building the self-watering bucket is really just a 5-gallon bucket, and using some of the materials that I described of building that reservoir and then using that good soil mixture to cover it with some plastic and be able to use that garden hose to fill the PVC pipe and fill your reservoir. Today's program was easy and doable, which I think is some of the fun part of delivering some of these programs, is that it's accessible to people.
Cilantro in here, cilantro in here.
The education that they learn is really fulfilling to me because this is my community and I care about the people here, but the fact that we get to deliver these educational programs and have fun with people is really a great part of the job.
If you weren't able to join us for this Lunch and Learn, that's okay. We have plenty coming up. Our next one features our Solid Waste Division, and we're looking forward to having all of you here at our Public Works compound off Savannah Road. To learn about more Lunch and Learns, please visit our website at cityoffortpierce.com, or you can call me at 772-467-3795.